After death, in hereafter, those who are paradise bound, who will be paradise bound, they will have a continuous progress spiritually. Is it due to their past action, or they will be doing some righteous action or righteous work here in hereafter?
This refers to originally to their past actions. If their past actions are good and favorable to Allah, then Allah will reward them with a paradise which will never end. In its spiritual rise, it will continue to rise above, because if it stops at one place, it will become boring. Because to be stationary is the boringness. It's one and the same thing. So in paradise, a person will ever rise to higher and higher status. Today in my recitation of the Holy Quran, وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى, from Surah Duha, it is said, O Prophet of Allah, your akhirat is always better than your previous. Every moment which passes raises your status, and you are never at the same stage. For your mother as well, yes, God. And for your brother, and for the cameraman. Right. And one for the other cameraman. Right? It's time now, I think. Time for prayer. Okay. Thank you so much.